people? This is Influence coming back at you with another video. This is Galaxy Note 9 unboxing video. Just want to do a quick unboxing of the retail version. This is from T-Mobile. That's my carrier. Move this camera down a little bit so you can see what's going on. As you can see, got the branding on the side. Got the Galaxy Note 9 on that side. We got some specs. I got the 128 gigabyte version. As you can see there. Reason I got the 128 gigabyte and not the 512 for $1,200. That's a lot of money. For one, this is cheaper, but for two, I know some people's like, you pay $985 or whatever it was. Why wouldn't you pay $1,200? Well, if you don't need to, why would you? Like, that's as bad as paying for a sale. Saying, oh, this is on sale, so I'll buy it too. You didn't get it for a cheaper price. You just spent more money. So that's neither here nor there. I'm just saying this should be enough for me. Plus, it's got expandable storage. I'll have to blur that out. Sleeve, of course, if you are familiar with Samsung, you know their procedures in their box. This is just saying, don't open this if you ain't gonna use it. I think that's what it says. Alright, I need a damn, I thought this was the flathead. Alright, should be good enough. Oh shit. Fucking troll. Alright, I'm getting trolled by the box. Here we go. I need a proper unboxing knife. So here we go. You know what? Let me stop and raise the camera up a little bit. First, you get fresh out the box, SIM ejection tool, I'm sure, and books. I'm almost certain. And Lord. Here is the device. Whoo! In hand, doesn't do it justice. Yeah, I'm gonna cover all that up. But yeah, rip that off. Get this off, so I gotta keep blurring it out. Oh yeah, I had to clean that up. It's looking a little purple on camera a little bit, but I didn't get the purple version. I got the blue version. So this is blue. Whew. Nah, not yet. Let's see what else we get in the box. Of course, we get this stuff. SIM card, and all your activities. Get a USB connector to USB-C adapter. That's normal. Hitting the camera. Charging brick, of course. And here you go with you have your tips for your stylus. The S Pen. Have the AKG branded tuned AKG headphones. Some ear tips, of course, and your USB-C to USB cord. I think that's it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's see if this guy ain't juice. You can see my. Whew. Yeah, this screen is amazing. I mean, I'm coming from the S9, but the screen is amazing. Let's see what's going on. Of course, it's got the yellow S Pen that comes with the blue, yellow and gold. That's pretty sick. Hi there.
Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
All right. All right, I'm gonna put all my stuff in here and see what's popping. This just been an unboxing. I'm not gonna. I'm gonna go through probably the whole review later. All right. So yeah, I'm feeling the phone. Feeling the phone. All right.
Hip hop, I feel I gotta save. Who am I? You might say influence, and I spit better than most in this game.